Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour. We're on our second stop today at the Peterson Auto Museum. So please bear with me, I can't talk up too much. There's a tour going on in the background and a lot of other people I just need to have some respect for. So anyways, we just got here in the entrance. After this, we head over to Huntington Beach and check into our hotel for the night. So let's just kind of walk around the entry before we go inside the car museum. Here we've got the Peterson store. This is where you're going to get all your memorabilia, all your cool stuff, everything that you want in regards. We've got an old late 70s King Cobra, let's see, 1978 here. This was back in the day, and this is at least the one you'd want. It had the 5-liter in it, and let's take a look at this. This is just like 70s all over. This harkens back to the day. It's an auto, and it's got the T-top and the old shadow covers on the back. This car may be familiar to some. It kind of got a little brief highlight point in Iron Man. This is Tony Stark's Roadster. So, and just kind of see the tie-in here with the Cars of the Stars here. We'll kind of move over here. And there you see Iron Man himself. So anyways, we're just kind of going over here. This is some kind of California Dreamin' or Hollywood Dream Cars thing going on in here. We haven't entered into the museum yet. We're just kind of in the foyer. We've got our tickets. This is a little Audi R8, kind of an exploded view on the motor. Kind of some interesting stuff here. This is that V10 that's sourced from Lamborghini, I believe, and a pretty amazing car. This is a supercar here we're talking about. So anyways, stay tuned, and we'll come back at you with some pictures and maybe some more videos. Talk to you later. This is Mike from Danchuk Manufacturing on the California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover.